When you're lying in bed, tossing and turning, unable to sleep, then why not watch a sleep-inducing episode of stress-relieving rain camping? Once you finish watching it, you're guaranteed to fall into a beautiful sleep. Without further ado, let's begin today's journey to sleep. This woman hasn't been home in 3 years. Every day, her life moves as fast as if the fast-forward button was pressed. But she can always find, on stormy days, her own therapeutic moments. Driving her car into nature, she feels the tranquility brought by the heavy rain. She first steadily parks her car on a patch of ground that's slightly elevated. This step is vitally important to prevent ground flooding. After parking, she quickly changes into her rain gear. Her top priority after getting out of the car is to quickly set up the tent. Xiaomei first secures the four corners of the tent, firmly pegging them into the ground with stakes. Next, she takes out the portable air pump she brought. Shortly after pressing the switch, the tent automatically inflates at a visible speed, requiring no effort to set it up herself. It's labor-saving and efficient once the frame is fully inflated. She checks the anchor points again to ensure the tent is rock solid. With that done, Xiaomei goes inside. She first replaces the ceiling with a transparent TPU window. Now, even on rainy days, she can stay inside and admire the beautiful scenery outside. However, the good times were short-lived. As the rain grew heavier, rainwater started dripping into the tent from the zipper seams. Now Xiaomei reluctantly had to abandon her rain-watching plan. And closed the window. After closing the door, Xiaomei took off her wet raincoat before officially arranging the interior. She still needed to quickly clear the accumulated rainwater on the ground. As the rain kept falling through the window, Xiaomei's energy was constantly draining. Then Xiaomei took out a super large waterproof item from the car. Rock. She placed the rock cover at the bottom of the tent. This way, the leaking problem was completely solved. With the leakage problem, a major worry solved. Xiaomei could finally take a breather. Next was the interior arrangement. She first laid down a large moisture-proof mat, completely isolating the dampness from the ground. Then she rummaged through the car for a pile of outdoor gear. and finally brought out her dog, who was still sleeping soundly in the car. After everything was done, she started arranging everything one by one. First, she set up a super large inflatable bed for herself. Then she laid down the mattress. Finally, a lazy inflatable sofa landed steadily. This small space was instantly filled with a sense of life. For the next while, Xiaomei methodically placed the small items she brought one by one. Once everything was in place, night had also quietly fallen. Xiaomei carefully prepared a meal for the dog beside her. After he finished eating, Xiaomei started preparing dinner for herself. Tonight's menu was hot seafood noodles, once cooked. Soup in the pot simmered. It looked incredibly appetizing. Unable to wait for it to cool, Xiaomei directly dug in with a large bowl of hot noodle soup. Her fatigue was gradually healed by the delicious food. The hardships of the day also slowly dissipated, even late into the night. Still not satisfied, Xiaomei prepared herself a roasted chicken. While waiting, considering the rapid drop in temperature in the forest at night, Xiaomei immediately took out her warming device, a portable fireplace. She assembled it in no time. As smoke rose from outside, the room also slowly warmed up. Xiaomei sat comfortably by the fireplace, warming herself. Her clothes, still damp from earlier, were now comfortably steaming with wisps of white vapor. The roasted chicken also gave off an enticing aroma, freshly baked. With a sense of ritual, Xiaomei put on gloves and began to enjoy the hardships she endured all day. We're all here, perfectly compensated by the ultimate deliciousness and warmth. It couldn't be more satisfying. After eating and drinking, her fill, the indoor fire blazed, warmth enveloping her whole body. A strong wave of sleepiness washed over her. Xiaomei felt content and satisfied, turned off the camping lantern, and pulled up a thick quilt. Accompanied by the warm fireplace, she gradually drifted off to sleep.